Come test drive the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, bed liner, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, rear step bumper, braking assist. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.